Welcome to your fourth tutorial, and let's get started. So, it's creating new objects. So, like these things. So, you can obviously do that shit, but what if you were in edit mode and you wanted to create something like this? So now it's all one object like that. See? Since I created the object, this flat piece, while I was in edit mode, it adds on to this object. So if I click plane or cube and I'm in edit mode, so it's adding on to this object. So now this is all one object. This is a separate one. So yeah, that's how it goes. And then you can just connect these vertices like that. Delete these ones. So there you go. And that's something you may have not known. So say I want to have like, wait, let me do something real quick. You don't always have to fill triangles. You can just quickly do that. Just saying. Okay, so say I want a circle right here. So I go into edit mode. I do circle. Select my circle. And when you make a circle, you can choose how many vertices you have. More vertices has more faces, which tends to be more laggier. But I mean, it's not really that bad if you're only having one circle. So you're right here, you can type in 10, you can have 10 vertices. If you want a triangle, the best way to do that is to make a circle and type in 3. So we'll go back to 30, and then we'll move it over here, resize it, like so. Press E, click, make it go down, press F to fill, and then we're going to go right here. So if you select all of these vertices and then you go and do this, press F, it's going to be weird. So we want a hole. So that means we have to do this kind of thing. So fill it like this. Oh crap. And then we got that. Okay, so we have to delete select those and boom. Now we got our hole in the ground, alright? So say I want another hole just right here in this little spot. Now instead of making a circle and bringing it there again, even though that's probably the best way to do it, I can go into tab and I can make a new object instead of putting it inside the other one. But wait, sir, how will you connect the vertices? Because you can't select those ones. Yeah, you can't do that. So next thing I teach you is to make a group or combine objects, I guess. So select the two objects. So shift to select multiple. Now you have multiple of them selected. So the orange one is a secondary object and the yellow is the primary. So this little orange one, once I combine them, will go on to this one. But if I select this and then click this one, this is the primary one. And once I group them, then this will be the primary thing. I guess, if that's what you want to know. So I'm going to group them. So Control J, and it groups them. So now it's one object. So that's how you group shit. Then you can fill it, do all that stuff. I'm not going to do that right now though. Okay, the next part, subdividing. Yay. So you press E, you go down there. And then say you want to do something. I don't know what you want to do, but just follow along. Select these two vertices, press Control E, you get this crap. Go right here and click Subdivide. And now you have the vertice in the middle. And then you can do this. So subdividing can really be useful. So if I go ahead and click Control E, subdivide, and I can do something weird like that, I guess. And now I can do that. And then if I do subdivide, and then do it again, subdivide, now I can like have this. So that's what subdividing is. I'm kind of curious as to what unsubbing does. Nothing. Okay, that's it. Goodbye.